Do you want to get rid of stretch marks? Stretch marks happen when your skin changes shape rapidly due to growth or weight gain. Both men and women can get stretch marks. Here are 5 effective home remedies that will help you to lighten stretch marks. Number 1. Use aloe vera. Aloe vera acts as a natural healing agent. You can use this to treat your stretch marks. To use this remedy, you need to remove the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf and take out the sticky gel from inside of the leaf. Massage the gel on the skin and let it stay for 20 to 40 minutes. After this, wash off with water. Number 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has rich moisturizing properties. It is full of antioxidants and other nutrients that are exceptionally good for repairing skin damage. Applying cold, pressed olive oil will make stretch marks go away with time. Number 3 is baking soda. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant. It removes the dead skin cells and removes stretch marks. The mixture of baking soda and lemon juice is an effective and quick way to remove stretch marks. Number 4 is egg white. Egg white is a superfood for the skin rich in amino acid and protein. When applied on stretch marks, it will not only whiten the stretch mark but will also cause skin tightening. Number 5 is sugar. To use sugar on stretch marks, you need mix 1 cup of sugar with 1/4 cup of almond or coconut oil and apply it on your affected area. I hope all these remedies will be effective for you and you can easily get rid of stretch marks. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon button for new video. Thank you very much.